you a new mother and looking for ways to unlock the secrets to effortless parenting? If that's the case, these genius acts, every new single mom needed to know them. Hi guys, I want to welcome you back to my channel. My name is Melissa Hamilton. This is the place where I empower single moms through motherhood. If it's your first time on my channel, make yourself welcome. If you are returned, get to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments at the end of the video. I understand completely. The journey of motherhood is a whirlwind filled of love, joy, and a little chaos, isn't it? As a new single mom navigating the world of parenting, it can be both exciting and frustrating. And that is why today I am unveiling the treasure house of practical and empowering acts that can help you transform your life as a new single mom and for you to thrive on your journey. Let's dive right into it and make every moment of the time spent with your little one memorable. Act number 1, create a routine. As a new single mother, you want to create a routine. Why do you want to create a routine? A routine will help you to be organized and your life will be much simpler. Also, creating a routine helps you to reduce stress. For example, if you create a sleep routine and you know that every 7 o'clock that's your bedtime, this will help you to increase your cognitive function. So you want to make sure that you create a routine for yourself as a new single mother and also for your children. Act number 2, meal prep. As a new single mother, meal prepping can help you to save time and money. When you meal prep, you are making sure that you and your family have healthy, delicious meals. So you think ahead of time, what is it that you want to prepare? Make sure that you have those things and prep every Sunday, I would suggest, or the time that is convenient to you. You will make sure that you have all the things that you need to meal prep. You can buy in bulk so that you will have the things ready when you are doing your prepping. When you use the meal prep strategy, you don't have to be in the kitchen cooking every single day. For example, I do my meal prepping every Sunday. So Sundays, I will make sure that I have all that I need to meal prep. I prepare my lunches for the week and also things that I want to eat for my dinner. I do this and it helps me to free up a lot of time. So this time I will use it to relax, to spend it with my son, and to also to engage in activities that I love. Act number 3, utilize technology. As a new single mother, you want to use technology to your advantage. There are a lot of apps out there that is free that you can use for learning with your children and engagement. For example, you have Endless Alphabet. This app, you can use it for your children to learn the alphabet. You don't only want them to learn the alphabet, but it also will help you to get time to do things that you love. Because the aim of the game is not for us to be burnt out and for us to be doing everything and no time for self-care. We want to make sure that we take care of ourselves just as how we take care of the children, so we can utilize technology to our advantage as new single moms. Act number 4, delegate age-appropriate tasks. Now I get it. We don't want to give them anything to do, right? Because they're little ones and they may not do it the way how we would have done it. But it is okay for us to delegate age-appropriate tasks to our children. This is important because they're learning how to be responsible, and it is also freeing up time for us as the parents. We do not have to do all things by ourselves. We get the children involved. Now, when the children reach 3 to 5 years old, we can give them tasks like for them to pick up their toys, to pick up their shoes, to pick up their socks. These are age-appropriate tasks that they can do. By the time they reach preteen into teenage, we can ask them to help us to meal prep, to cook, to do the laundries. These are things that we can ask the children to do instead of us doing it all by ourselves and not having the time to nurture our own well-being. So it is very critical that we make sure that these children are helping with the task around the house. My 5th and final act, create a mommy time activity box. What is a mommy time activity box? This box, you place all the special toys and books for your children. When you place all the special toys and books in this activity box, you can get uninterrupted time for yourselves. Your children don't have to come to you every minute while you are relaxing to ask you for things for them to be engaged with. This box will help you to take uninterrupted time. So, create the mommy time activity box. Finally, my new single mothers, make sure that you create your routine to help you keep organized. Secondly, make sure that you meal prep. Meal prep will help you to determine what you are going to eat ahead of time, and they save you time and money. Thirdly, make sure that you utilize technology. Utilizing technology will help you to save time, and you can use that time to take care of you, which is delegate age-appropriate tasks. It is okay to delegate age-appropriate tasks to your children. Delegating these tasks will help you to spend time with you, uninterrupted time that you need as a new single mother. Also remember to create a mommy time activity box. Place all the special toys in it for the children or child, so that when you are relaxing, they don't have to interrupt you at the end of the day. And I get it. New single mothers, I know that this journey is frustrating. It comes with its unique challenges. I know all of that. I myself was once a new single mother, and I have to learn ways how to take care of myself that I can parent my child effortlessly. So I encourage you today, take one of these acts, implement it into your life starting today, and watch your life transform in front of you like a caterpillar. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. Definitely, I will see you again. Enough love.